Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey of finding your dream home? This process can be both exhilarating and challenging, but we're here to make it easier for you. To ensure your success in buying your dream home, we have gathered 3 crucial tips that will not only empower you, but also make you an appealing buyer in the eyes of the seller. So let's dive in. Boost your appeal with a mortgage pre-approval. Demonstrate your seriousness and readiness to purchase by obtaining a mortgage pre-approval. This first step not only helps you establish a clear budget, but also showcases your commitment to the seller. It gives you the confidence to start your home search with a solid foundation. Trust me, you don't want to see a home, fall in love with it, and then have to wait a few days to get that pre-approval because it might be gone. Craft a competitive and attractive offer. In a competitive real estate market, it's important to make an offer that stands out. Collaborate with your real estate agent to create an enticing offer that not only reflects the true value of the property, but also aligns with the current market conditions. This will help you grab the attention of the sellers and increase your chances of procuring your dream home. Leverage the expertise of a trusted real estate agent. Navigating the complexities of the real estate landscape requires expertise, and a seasoned real estate agent can be your greatest ally. Partner with an experienced agent who possesses in-depth knowledge of the local market and proven negotiation skills. They will guide you through the entire process, ensuring a smooth and successful transition. These tips are essential for anyone looking to buy their dream home. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, incorporating these strategies will make your home buying experience more engaging and increases your chances of finding the home of your dreams. So get ready to embark on this exciting journey and make your dream home a reality. If you need help finding that dream home, please reach out to me, Miguel Garanza with Remax Platinum Team Callan.